Here we have the first footage of the new airport in Berlin. After many years of poor planning, setbacks and delays, the secret soft opening happened yesterday. See here how this airport looks like 13 years after the construction started. All constructions have been surprisingly completed, and the airport is finally open to the public starting from April 1st. Passengers using this airport need to be very patient. Lines are long and it will take a few weeks until everything runs smoothly. A few Lufthansa airplanes landed here already on this first pre-opening day. Let us know your opinion about the new airport in Berlin. Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel.